Dun, 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 dun. What do you think of my collection? Let's talk about today's video. Or not today's. I'm doing this tomorrow. But it's like a challenge. Surviving without this and with downgrading hoes. It's that time. Why am I doing this? Let me give a little backstory as to why I want to do this. I can admit I am addicted to it. I wake up, phone. I go to sleep, the last thing I see, my phone. Ladies and gentlemen, is that good for you? No. Come on. Like, I want to live life and enjoy it as short as it is. So the hell I look like I'm gonna be on my phone the entire day. When I'm at work, I'm on my phone as well because there's so much downtime. Like, I need a break. And so tomorrow, this, ew. It's let me not do that. If I shatter my phone, it's over. I love technology, but you know, every once in a while you need a break. You need reality. I need to go touch the grass and stay there and not leave it. So, como se dice, it's that time. Now, my choice of flip phone today, or my choice of downgrading for tomorrow, is this right here. It's a Nokia flip phone. What do you think of me going on my flip phone for a day?
So firstly, I think it's a big step because first of all, who just goes out their way to not use their phone? And second of all, what are you gonna do? You have nothing on there. You don't have Instagram, you don't have TikTok. You can only have this, and sometimes you can text, but whenever you would text me on your flip phone, it would take about 3 years to type and then to send. So on its own, I think you'll do fine. You barely use social media to begin with. So I think she'll do great, but I just feel as though she's gonna be like lonely because she's gonna have nothing. Her messages are green and they look total butt. I don't like seeing that. It says like her email instead of her name, and then it says like, oh hey Javi, with like all capitalizations because you can't type. It's really ugly. It's really ugly. I don't recommend.
I think I got it though. Let's see if after one day I'm like, you know what? Fuck it, I'll just stay on my flip phone. It's over for y'all bitches. Oh my gosh. Since I have no self-control. Oh, lovely, ain't it? We locking her up. Ooh. 24 hours are starting now. How do you lock this? So let's do a little phone tour. I got the Nokia, you know, in the color red. As you can see, look at how amazing it looks. Okay. Let's do a little. Ooh, you already know yours truly. Let's show y'all some pictures. Me and the bestie. I don't know if I can see that. Kinda. Me with Rebel. But I will be carrying my iPod. At least I'll have this. I should put music on it. More music on it.
The next day.
Rise and shine. debating if I want to go get coffee before practice or if I'm gonna get it after practice. Oh my god, y'all can't even see me. Wait, doesn't this have flash? Flip phone got flash. Anyways, we are on our way to Human Bean. They opened up at 6. It's 6:17. I have to be at practice at 6:45. Gotta get going. Let's go do that.
Just passion fruit?
Yes.
Anything else for you today?
That would be all.
63 cylinder.
Thank you. Bright energy by the rivers of Babylon. Oh my god. I'm doing all this at 6 in the morning. Got all that energy. Anyways, let's give a little update as of now where I'm at with not using my phone. I'm alright. I'm not like, where's my phone? Where's my phone? I'm not like going crazy for it, but will it be more fun with it? Yes! But nothing like I said, I'm reaching for it, I'm looking for it. Like, yeah, in the morning. Oh no, in the middle of the night it happened. I was like, oh my gosh, where's my phone? Where's my phone? And then I remember, bitch, you're doing a whole damn challenge. You ain't got no phone. Rise and shine. What do you think?
I think that there is people who have not gone to wash their car. You
Oh my god, no, I
really
need it.
tell
I haven't.
Who has? Oh my god.
What you want?
I just, it's the way I don't fit the stereotype of the owner of that type of car. That's
No,
what makes
you're
me want
tiny
it
as hell. And that's a big ass truck.
That's what makes me want it even more.
Oh my gosh.
The white is washed, not well, but it is washed.
Oh my gosh, it's as if I'm back in class. How do I raise the... There we go, 100% brightness, I had to lower it because I could not see it.
So, is that how you're texting me today?
I haven't given you the special number yet.
I don't want that number.
Because I will be green.
Yeah. Is this like your under consumption thing? Dude, what does my head look like a McDonald's? The volume is, oh my god.
Wow, and it's only 7 in the morning. Well, where's the model? Is she here?
Where's the model?
No.
Oh, Jasmine. Oh, she's not here.
She not playing tomorrow then. Go do what you have to do. So
How long have you had this?
I got it over the summer, but I couldn't do it. I had it for like probably 2 weeks, but then I had to go back because I had no access to my bank account. And the hell I look like going to my bank.
I'm gonna go call my haters.
You asshole. I have tried to reach out for my phone so many times to then literally remembering I don't have it. Oh, so currently it is 8:30 in the morning, and I'm bored. Normally I would be on my phone right now. The plan for today is to go buy a new stove because I'm not even gonna say it. It's given up on us. So we need a new one. So we're probably gonna go to Home Depot or Lowe's. And I also wanna go to Michael's because I wanna buy like a little puzzle. Keep myself entertained because I can't do this. How do people do this? How do people do it back in the day? Oh my god, one thing I wanna learn is how to play poker because, tell me why, like that's kinda cool. Playing poker? I don't have that much time before it falls. Anyways, it is currently, oh, it's about to be 10. 9:59. Y'all can't even see it. Anyways, Danya has been texting me. Oop. Let's see what she said. I was just crying. I couldn't. I texted Sheehan at 2 a.m. Girlie didn't go to practice because she was dying. Hopefully she gets better. And it's good for tomorrow because we have a game. And it should be her first game. Fingers crossed. We are at Lowe's. We're trying to see stoves. $800, $700. I don't know about this. The prices hurt. We're at Michael's. Little pit stop before we go to Home Depot because it's on its way. So hopefully I find my puzzle. I would love to buy this, but it just takes forever. And then I still have to paint it. I mean, I could do it. I did it with the Ford Bronco one. Painted it red. So here are the puzzles. I also want to try maybe one of these. The miniature house. Oh, I could put this in my bookshelf. That would be nice. Look at those. But they're so expensive. $40? This one's really nice. I like that for sure. I don't know what to get now. I'll have to think about it. I'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna get the bubble bath. Let's see how it goes. Take pictures. No. We're here at Home Depot now. Great. That was quick. In and out. Now we're gonna go on our walk. The squirrels are throwing the nuts at us. Wow. I was just humbled. I pulled out my phone because I got a text message, right? And it's a flip phone. I open it up and I'm like squinting my eyes trying to look at it because it's a bright ass sun. And then she's laughing at me. So I start to hear giggling onto my side. I'm like, what is going on? And then I realize she's laughing at me, my own mother. Do you have anything to say?
Nothing.
Alright, I'm home now. Ooh, let me move this. Okay, I'm home now and I want to open this up. Let's see. time has passed by. My mom told me I was doing this for 2 hours. In 2 hours, I was only able to do this. I'm done. This is the first day that it's actually like nice outside. That I can like go out in shorts. I'm literally in shorts. And I'm also in Crocs. And we're going on a walk. Can't get over the fact that it took me 2 hours to make that little ass thing. 2 hours. Now imagine if I dedicated my time to actually doing all of that. I'm kind of regretting it. But I feel like if I take the time, I should be able to get it, you know? Be able to build it and actually make it all nice. Put it in my bookshelf. Maybe. Going on this walk and reflecting on not being on my phone today. How do I put this? It's been boring as hell, but it's just been calming. I will say that. I'm like very much in my own world right now, which is good. I need that at times, but I'm bored. I'm gonna be quite honest. It's fine.
Later that day.
Okay, so I'm having a little situation right now. So my friend, which just so happens to also be the other coach that y'all saw earlier, she's trying to get a hold of me, and Danya is telling me like she told Danya that she needs to talk to me. And like, as you can see, like, I don't know, she wants to talk to you. Like, I said, I don't know. And then she's like, where is it? Is it down in the tunnel? Girl, it's in a safe. So, I have an hour and 40 minutes left. I want to know what she wants to say. She will have to wait. It's almost time. It is 8:57, and if we recall, I think it was like at 8:56 is when I put my phone away. But we'll wait those 3 minutes, you know. My experience today was quite uneventful. I could say. Like, I didn't have my friends blowing up my phone, telling me, "Oh, this has happened," blah blah blah. Like, normally that's what happens, and it's entertaining, you know, all that sort of stuff. Or seeing what other people are doing. Although I really don't care, because I'm not really on social media to begin with. I'm not really on Instagram. I post, and then right after I post, I delete the app, so then it's gone. Same thing goes for like TikTok. I post something, I delete the app. You know, so I'm not really on it, so I don't really miss my phone. I think it's more of like the convenience of being able to have access to music at any moment, as well as my bank, like I said, being able to do all those sort of stuff. But anyway, let's open it up. Oh, a minute. Also, if there are any of my friends willing to give me more keychain, that would be great. I love this one. And of course, I would love to get more. But time to open this. Let's go. It's time. There we go. Oh, the charge from at 6 in the morning. Oh, that was 3 hours ago. Ooh. Hello? Hello? my phone, it glitching. Oh my god. Oh. You know what? It might be a good idea that it don't work. Anyways, I think this is the end of the video. I really got not much to say. Would I do it again? I guess. Like, if I'm sick of everybody, then yes. I'll probably do it more in the summer. But like right now, I'm in a very much busy time where I have to have my phone on me. So unfortunately, I probably won't be doing it soon. But in the summer, for sure. But anyways, I give today 10 out of 10. Quite peaceful, kept to myself, doing my own thing. So, anyways, love y'all. Bye-bye.